So the thing about Android XR, which we're showing off at the Sphere here, by the way, in Las Vegas, is that it's a unified platform for a wide variety of devices. We've got smart glasses coming from Warby Parker and Gentle Monster later this year, and we also have wired XR glasses in partnership with Xreal also coming this year. But right now, we have great new features for the Samsung Galaxy XR. Let's go check them out. So there's a ton of things you can do in Android XR with the Explorer Pack. YouTube, live sports, and games, but you might not know that it's good for productivity too. Here I am inside Android XR, and you can see I'm just using Android apps directly, but we have a really cool new feature called Likeness, which works with any video app, and it lets you take video calls with an avatar that looks like you, or in this case, me. One feature that's very cool is PC Connect. You can put your entire PC into Android XR like it's on a big, beautiful monitor. You can be super productive with this, or you can just play games. So I just open the app, click here, and boom, I'm connected. Now, I could work on what I was working on before and continue, but instead, I'm gonna play this game here. It's Cities Skylines 2. And I could either use my laptop's input, or I could actually use Galaxy XR's input directly on the PC. And because we're inside Android XR, I have the full power of Gemini AI wherever I am, including inside my PC screen. So I can just bring it up. Hey, how can I make this town more walkable?
To make the town more walkable, you could prioritize adding sidewalks where they're missing and ensuring they're well maintained.
So this is pretty great when you're sitting at a table, but there's another place that we heard you want to be able to use Galaxy XR. The airplane. That's why we've introduced travel mode, so you can fully immerse yourself in a movie on that long flight. This is a huge year for Android XR. Galaxy XR is here right now, and it's amazing, and AI glasses are coming. In fact, developers can start building for glasses right now with our latest SDK. And speaking of right now, I'm gonna get back to my game.